Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. I just finished my duty at 2:15 when I signed out. I start at 6 o'clock. Yeah, from 6 o'clock. Yeah, cooking, and also preparing Miss N Plus for tomorrow. And also doing the service all at the same time. And during lunch, it's busy. Yeah, but it's good. When it's busy, it's always good, but it's tiring. But it's fulfilling, like what I always say. Yeah, nice. And yeah, like yesterday, it is raining today. Not too much, but there are some sprinklers of water. The rain is gone. No more rain. And it's raining again. There are some people that are just walking. They don't have raincoat. They don't care about the rain. Actually, again, there's no rain. We are going to have a look in the town center. We're not going home yet. Yeah, there are actually heaps of people here. And I am now feeling shy because I am wearing this kind of raincoat. Yeah, and those people, they don't. Yeah, I was stopping here. I am thinking of going to grocery or not. I can't decide really. Maybe not. Oh, we go this way because there's a couple. Oh, look at this. I will show you. There are something here that are free. There is washing machine, there is bed, there's cabinet. There's so many things. Yeah, if you read that, it's free. It's written in there. Nice. Okay, we're home and it's already 3:10. And look at this. I washed it yesterday because I don't have apron this morning. Yeah. And I am now having my first meal, the leftover bitter gourd and rice. Yeah, and I'm going to eat it inside the room. I realized that I only eat rice once a day since I work during breakfast. Okay, I'm going to wash it later. And yeah, I'm going to take the tile on my bike. Okay, I got this. So this is basically the tile, like my Bluetooth GPS of my bike. Yeah, the name is tile. Very popular here in Australia. And I'm going to change the battery. If you may remember, last 2 days ago they sent me this battery package. Oh, yeah, this one. And this battery is free. They send it to me for free. Okay, and it's working now again. You can actually use this with your key or your backpack or anything that you want to see or you want to monitor. And we are now going to make a coffee. This coffee is coming from Bisdak Aussie YouTube channel. check their YouTube channel. They are also working here in Australia. And I am now charging my e-bike battery. That will last for around 6 hours. And once it's fully charged, it will last for up to 7 days. There are many kids on the other backyards. And they are doing they are playing. What is that? Jumping cube? What is that? Jumping... I don't know what they call that. I never experienced to play something like that. Yeah, maybe they are classmates. Yeah, this is the first time to see them there. What do you call that? Jumping? I don't know. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. 1 o'clock when I signed out. Actually, at 12 o'clock I have no more things to do. I was just finding ways to do things so that I'll be busy. But still, I did so many things. Yeah, many cars are passing at the moment. Yeah, we're getting the right timing so that we'll be safe. We're going to the Corlet store to buy fish and chips, and we're going to eat that in the house. Oh, look at that. There is a group of bikers on that side resting. Maybe they are on the Corlet store. They're going to... Yeah, it's quite busy inside, also outside. Oh, and more people are coming. Yeah, they are in the car, and actually inside maybe there are 10 or 15 people. Yeah, did you see that? A small worm. They are really busy in there. Yeah, there's so much people inside. Yeah, not worrying about the COVID. Looks like normal. But do you know that COVID cases again is now growing up? Yeah, here in particularly in Melbourne, and also here in New South Wales there are new cases. If I'm not mistaken, it's more than 20 already. The source is a guy coming from Melbourne and then went to one hotel, and there is that hotel has become the center of that COVID cases these days in Sydney. And now there are different places with COVID cases. Good afternoon. Hi. Oh, look at this. Fell up. Good afternoon. Good. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Thank you. Oh, many people everywhere because today is Saturday, so yeah, people are going around. Oh, that made me tired. I forgot to change the gear and the speed. Yeah, that's why I had a hard time to pedal. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, those things that you've seen at the back of me, they are free. If you are here, you can take that, and yeah, you have those things. We're just going to the grocery, but we're just going to have a look first in the marina. I'm actually day off today, but I didn't I didn't go anywhere. I was just in the house. Yeah, there are many bikers today. Leave you, but I never let you go. And I don't know how to make love. And we are here again. This is one of the most beautiful spot here in the town. The water is very clear, and as I can see, there are some people. They are fishing. Yeah, there are people. They are fishing. There is one cormorant. Yeah, that is cormorant. Okay, that's it. We're going home.